In this video tutorial, we'll be walking you through the process of importing assets into your WordPress site using the Quant plugin. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Quant sidebar menu. To import vector or bitmap assets, you first need to select a project from your list of available projects. This list houses all the projects you currently have access to. To start importing, click on the Add button. For this demonstration, we'll import an Illustrator project and a Photoshop project. Upon adding these projects, you'll notice that they appear in the Imported Assets list. Here, you'll find a preview of some assets and an option to select branches for vector assets. These branches allow you to manage multiple variations of the same asset. Once your projects are added, click the Sync All Assets button. This will import all assets from your added projects into WordPress. Let's now switch over to the media library. Here, you will see all the vector and bitmap assets that you've imported. Quant assets are easily identifiable as they have a distinct icon in the corner. If there's a need to update all assets with a new version, simply return to the Quant page and click the Sync button next to the project you wish to update. And that's it. You have successfully imported your assets into WordPress using the Quant plugin.